Okay, once again, I am not a strong man, so we have Diggy here with us. So after putting all of this together, sealing it up, calling it good, it is way too heavy for me to lift by myself. So Diggy and Diggy's dad is coming to help me get this up, down, and then try and get the leaf spring on it. So, all right, so you pick it up, I'll assist. Ah, the strength. All right, we're down on a rug. Hey, it's nice and balanced too. All right, now we're gonna try and get the leaf spring on. Hopefully it works like we got the front leaf spring on. All right, so get these on. Except that for whatever reason the squares, oh, that side fits. They're just kind of inconsistent size. One square fits, the other square is too small. You know what, I'll bet we could force it. That's the right size. It's a sunny day, so we opened up the garage door, let the sun shine in. It's not often you get sun in the Pacific Northwest in December, but here we are. There we go, that's shutting it on this. So the plan is to get one side on, like we did on the front. And then have Diggy, and possibly Daddy Diggy, jump on the spring and see if we can't compress it, the leaf spring down to keep it on the other side. All right, Diggy, wanna grab the spring and align it. Actually, I think we need to loosen these now because now that you're going to be able to get the we need to be able to angle those out. All right, let's see if we can get it up there. Up. There you go. All right. Now, see, that's significantly farther. Okay, so this we're angled down here. Yeah. So it seems like we kind of, because we want that to be as far over as possible, right?
Yep. So we need to get this for pushing on our flex.
Okay. Let's make the sausage off camera and we'll come back when we have a plan. All right, we have now set up, call it a jig if you want, but we're using tires for more than they're intended for, as usual. So, just like before, Diggy's gonna get up on the spring and we're gonna hopefully be able to extend it the length that it needs to go. It's a little bit beefier than the front spring, so it might need a little bit more, and we'll just see if this works. We might have to come up with something else, but all right, go ahead.
That's what it's like.
No,
Nothing.
it's just it's too much of an arc. I don't think it has enough to actually spring down. Okay, well,
It's like you need a vehicle weight compression.
yeah, it's almost like we need to have the weight of the vehicle on it, but there's not a whole lot of weight just for the frame.
Inverse. It's like pump it.
Or maybe it needs to be on something slick and not wood.
think that was it? I just got the impression that it just wasn't
New plan.
unprecedented.
Okay, so the last idea didn't work, so now we're up at Bubba's, and this is the jig that we're gonna try and use to compress the leaf spring. So we've got it blocked up on the right-hand side there. We're gonna compress the spring down to the left-hand side there and attach those brackets. You see that blocking that's on top of the spring? Because we're going to use good old John Deere to try and push down on it. Maybe it can produce a little bit more force than Diggy and Diggy's dad. All right, let's see how this works. It's rotating the shovel. It's going. More. Stop, stop, stop. About 2 inches. Stop. Stop.
Tremendous off the ground.
I know. And it's rotating the leaf spring is going like this. Now try it. It's in line now.
This has to be flat.
Let's say it's going on the cars. Right now.
Maybe what you try to do is push it right here instead.
Come on. Tilt it up. Down. Keep going. Are you pushing on the bucket or the brake bracket? Oh, you gotta come forward then. Stop. A little bit more forward. Stop. Forward. There you go. It's because it's coming down at an angle, it's trying to pull it that way. Unless you drive forward. There you go. There you go. Wait, wait, wait.
Push it a little more, but I want you clear.
What?
Down, let's see what you're doing.
call it good.
Yeah.
So this is what success looks like. Brute force. And we've got our leaf spring attached to our mounts on the rear axle. And now it's ready to be installed. Thank God we didn't install it backwards.